नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे तुम्ही केमिस्ट्री जे काही घरून यूट्यूबच्या माध्यमातून ऑनलाईनच्या माध्यमातून स्टडी करतात, याच्यामध्ये मी काही तुम्हाला थोड्या गोष्टी सांगणार आहे. इन द सेन्स हाऊ टू डू द स्टडी ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री ॲट दी होम. Means when you study these chapters of organic chemistry, then you don't only read and listen and what that is the watch, but you have to practice the reactions, practice the equations on paper also, because organic chemistry is not the part of only reading, it is the part of writing also. Means you have to write these equations, reactions, their examples on the paper. You have to practice it, then you can write it in the paper, and also you can remember what are the product reactant in that reaction, what are the product form, as well as the reaction takes place in the presence of which reagent, any catalyst used in that reaction. So that also you have to remember, and when you write it on the paper, means you have to practice it roughly on rough paper, or rough writing you have to do at home. So see, you remember last time some of the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones we have studied, and now in this chapter, in this period today, we have to study remaining reactions, methods to prepare the carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes and ketone. So here see, today we have to study preparation of ketones from nitriles, cyanides. Last time we have studied preparation of aldehydes from cyanides or the nitrile, and you remember that reaction have specific name, that is the name reaction, it is Stephen reaction. And now see here, preparation of ketones from nitriles, cyanides. We know the functional group in nitriles is N or cyanide, that is the CN. So when nitriles or cyanides are reacted, are treated with Grignard's reagent, we have studied before it about the Grignard's reagent, and alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. When this alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard's reagent is added in nitriles, then this is the nucleophilic addition reaction. The addition of that Grignard's reagent takes place across the carbon triple bond nitrogen, and here see how addition takes place. Alkyl group is added on carbon, and remaining part of this Grignard's reagent added on nitrogen, and this results in the formation of magnesium complex is obtained. Magnesium complex is formed, as we know, and we have studied reactions of Grignard's reagent always favored takes place in the presence of dry ether as a solvent, that is the inert solvent, because in other medium Grignard's reagent undergoes decomposition into corresponding hydrocarbon. So when Grignard's reagent is added in nitriles or cyanides in the presence of dry ether as solvent, it first gives magnesium complex, and that is on acid hydrolysis gives ketone. In this reaction, ammonia gas is liberated, ammonia gas is given out. Okay. Here see, example, ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile, commonly also called as acetonitrile, when it is treated with Grignard's reagent, that is methyl magnesium chloride, or you can take iodide bromide in dry ether, it first gives magnesium complex. Similarly, methyl group added on this carbon, magnesium chloride added on nitrogen, in the presence of dry ether, it first gives magnesium complex, and this is on acid hydrolysis gives acetone or dimethyl ketone is formed. So here point to be remember, this is removed and double bond is added on oxygen, acetone is formed, 2 water molecule added in it. So from that 2 water molecule, 3 hydrogen combines with nitrogen to form ammonia, and one remaining OH group is added on magnesium, that complex is eliminated. So when ethane nitrile is treated with methyl magnesium chloride in dry ether, it first gives magnesium complex, and that is on acid hydrolysis gives acetone or dimethyl ketone. Next one point here, this equation we have to complete. What is taken? Phenyl cyanide, benzonitrile, when treated with phenyl magnesium bromide. So same way, you have to add phenyl group on carbon, which is bonded by triple bond to nitrogen. Magnesium bromide is added on nitrogen. So what is formed? C6H5, here C, that C6H5 group is added to carbon. So here double bond N, magnesium bromide is added on nitrogen, and here in first step magnesium complex is formed, magnesium complex is obtained. This magnesium complex on hydrolysis with dilute acid, its meaning is hydrolysis with dilute acid, it gives C6H5, C double bond O, C6H5, we know name of this compound benzophenone, diphenyl ketone, benzophenone is obtained, ammonia gas liberated, and this complex is eliminated. This is the preparation of ketones from nitriles, preparation of ketones from the cyanides. Here see, in this reaction cyanide group is changes to C double bond O group, and it forms the corresponding ketones are obtained, ketones are formed. Now see the next one reaction, preparation of aromatic aldehydes from hydrocarbon. So here aromatic aldehyde means the CHO group directly attached to benzene ring. Okay, here see, in this reaction, in this point, we have to study some name reactions. That is, first one is Itard reaction. So what is the Itard reaction and how benzaldehyde is obtained? Benzaldehyde is formed in this reaction that we have to study. Here see, toluene, methyl benzene, methyl arene is also called as toluene, when treated with chromyl chloride. Name of this compound is chromyl chloride. When it is reacted, when it is treated with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide as solvent, it first gives chromium complex is obtained, chromium complex is formed, and this chromium complex on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde is obtained, or benzaldehyde is formed. So here how the reaction between toluene and chromyl chloride is take place. To balance it, here you have to take 2 mole, that is nothing but the Cr, this one oxygen, okay, and one hydrogen atom from this group, methyl group OH and Cl2. So this complex or this such 2 groups are added on this carbon, and chromium complex is obtained, and this chromium complex on hydrolysis with dilute acid produces or form benzaldehyde is obtained or benzaldehyde is formed. Now see next one reaction, oxidation of methyl arene, nothing but toluene. Methyl arene, methyl benzene is called as toluene. So that's hydrocarbon, it is the aromatic hydrocarbon, and from these hydrocarbons we have to study the aromatic aldehyde toluene. When oxidized by this chromium oxide in the presence of acetic anhydride, the name of compound form is benzylidene. Reaction takes place at low temperature 273 to 283 Kelvin temperature. It gives benzylidene, and that is on hydrolysis with dilute acid forms benzaldehyde is obtained or benzaldehyde is formed. This is also formation, preparation of benzaldehyde from hydrocarbon, that is nothing but toluene. One more reaction to prepare the benzaldehyde, that is by side chain chlorination of toluene. Okay, in toluene, which is the side chain, that is methyl group attached to benzene is side chain. Methyl group is side chain. So chlorination of this side chain takes place, means when toluene or methyl benzene is treated with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light, diffuse sunlight. So its meaning is that light, this is the photochemical reaction and it gives benzyl chloride. या reaction मध्ये काय झाले पहा, 2 hydrogen atoms from this side chain, 2 hydrogen atoms from methyl group are replaced by 2 chlorine atoms and the compound obtained is benzyl chloride. Okay, benzyl chloride further on acid hydrolysis, म्हणजे बेंझाइल क्लोराइडचं जर आपण हायड्रोलिसिस केलं तर काय होतं, हे दोन क्लोरीन ॲटम दोन OH ग्रुपने रिप्लेस होतात. दोन OH ग्रुपने रिप्लेस झाल्याच्या नंतर डायहायड्रॉक्सी अनस्टेबल कंपाऊंड फॉर्म होतो, त्याच्यातून एक वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल इलिमिनेट होतो and that changes to aldehydic group. So benzaldehyde is obtained, that is the side chain chlorination of toluene, side chain chlorination of methyl benzene forms first of all benzyl chloride, and that is on acid hydrolysis, म्हणजे water is added in the presence of dilute acid, it gives benzaldehyde. Okay, see next one reaction to prepare the benzaldehyde, that is preparation of benzaldehyde from benzene, aromatic compound. It is also hydrocarbon, but this is a name reaction, that is the Gattermann-Koch formylation. So what is formylation? CO, that is carbon monoxide, is introduced in benzene along in the presence of acid. So that is nothing but the formylation, or formyl group means C double bond OH group is also called as the formyl group, and that introduced in benzene. So it is named as formylation. The reaction is named as Gattermann-Koch formylation of benzene. So very simple reaction, when benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in the presence of HCl, this reaction is take place in anhydrous AlCl3 as Lewis acid, that is the catalyst, it gives the benzaldehyde. Directly this C double bond O and H is introduced in this reaction as a CHO. So there is formation of what, that is the benzaldehyde. So it is nothing but different reactions, methods to prepare the aromatic aldehyde. It is the benzaldehyde from aromatic hydrocarbon. So it is mainly prepared from toluene, and this is last one reaction we have studied, preparation of benzaldehyde from benzene. Now see, one more reaction here we have to study, preparation of aldehydes from esters. Last one reaction, that is esters. Functional group in ester is C double bond OO. When these esters are reduced using diisobutyl aluminum hydride, this is diisobutyl aluminum hydride in dilute acid or further on acid hydrolysis gives aldehydes. Aldehydes are obtained, means esters on reduction gives aldehyde. Then example, that is ethyl acetate when reduced by diisobutyl aluminum hydride further on acid hydrolysis gives ethanol or acetaldehyde is obtained or acetaldehyde is formed. This is the formation, preparation of esters from, aldehydes from the esters. Now we have to study next one point, that is methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. So how carboxylic acids are prepared? Obtained by different chemical reactions. वेगवेगळ्या मेथडने ते कसे प्रिपेअर केले जातात. सो वी हॅव टू स्टडी हिअर. सी फर्स्ट वन रिॲक्शन. ही रिॲक्शन आपण अल्कोहोल चॅप्टर मध्ये स्टडी केलेली आहे पहा, ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. अँड वी नो ऑक्सिडेशन्स ऑन अल्कोहोल्स, प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स on oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate finally gives carboxylic acid. Corresponding carboxylic acids are obtained. So here see, primary alcohols, general representation of primary alcohol, that is primary alcohols when oxidized using acidified potassium dichromate, it removes the hydrogen, this H and H2 and this O, water remove, and in the first step aldehydes are formed. And we know aldehydes on further oxidation with same acidified potassium dichromate gives carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are obtained or carboxylic acids are formed. So primary alcohols on oxidation first of all changes to aldehyde. In this reaction, CH2OH group changes to C double bond OH group, and in second step aldehydes on further oxidation, C double bond OH group changes to COOH group, that is the carboxylic acids are formed. And we can practice by using this general reaction many more examples, specific reaction. So which specific reaction? You have to take methanol, finally you use the methanoic acid. If you take ethanol, ethanoic acid. If you take propanol, propionic acid, propanoic acid is obtained. So you have to practice it yourself by using this general equation. Now see the next reaction, next method of preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acid from nitriles, from cyanides. So cyanides are the compound which are used to prepare aldehyde. By Stephen reaction, we have studied preparation of ketones by adding the Grignard's reagent into cyanide, they gives ketone. And again here cyanides or nitriles used to prepare carboxylic acid. See the reaction, nitriles on hydrolysis give this intermediate, simple reaction, OH added on carbon, H added on nitrogen, because when this triple bond break, then the pi electron transferred towards nitrogen, it acquires negative charge, it acquires positive charge, hydrogen positive part, OH negative part. Therefore OH added on carbon and H plus added on nitrogen, and it forms this complex. Now what happens? It undergoes arrangement, rearrangement tautomerization. I have told to you tautomers in ketoenol formation. Here also the double bond, pi bond transferred between carbon and oxygen, and this hydrogen transferred here, the compound obtained are amides. Amides are obtained, and further amides on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives carboxylic acids, and in this reaction ammonia gas is liberated, or that further ammonia react with HCl that liberates ammonium chloride. The vapors, white fumes of ammonium chlorides are formed. In this way, the carboxylic acids obtained from cyanides or the nitrile. Now see, you can short this reaction, means you can write this equation like this also, nitriles or cyanides, hydrolysis by using dilute acid. आपण काय केलं, इथे दोन स्टेप मध्ये वॉटर ऍड केलेले अगोदर, इथे या स्टेप मध्ये वॉटर ऍड केला, नंतर या स्टेप मध्ये वॉटर ऍड केला इन द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ डायल्यूट ऍसिड. काय करा, एकदाच दोन वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल ऍड करा, ट्वाइस ऑफ H2O, dilute HCl, and directly it form acid, and white fumes of ammonium chlorides are liberated. White fumes of ammonium chlorides are formed as byproduct. One specific reaction here we have to complete. You can also complete yourself. Acetonitrile or methyl cyanide I have taken here. मी इथे मिथाइल सायनाइड किंवा ॲसिटोनायट्राइल घेतलाय. पहा इकडे, टेक 2 moles of water, that is H2O, in the presence of dilute acid. Okay, here one oxygen added on carbon, double bond oxygen. So here see CH3, C double bond O, एक OH ग्रुप ऍड करा याच कार्बन एटमवर OH, आणि राहिलेले इथं काय आहे, नायट्रोजन. याच्यातले दोन हायड्रोजन, सॉरी 3 हायड्रोजन, हा एक हायड्रोजन आणि हा एक क्लोरीन. बाय प्रोडक्ट obtained is ammonium chloride, and the product form is acetic acid or ethanoic acid is obtained. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid is obtained. आता काय करायचं, आपण प्रॅक्टिस करताना, when you practice the another one example, another reaction by using the general equation, you have to only change this alkyl group. काय करायचं, तुम्ही अल्काइल ग्रुप, मिथाइल ग्रुप घ्या, आपण तो घेतलेला आहे इथं, ॲसिटिक ॲसिड फॉर्म झाला. मग इथाइल ग्रुप घ्या, प्रोपियोनिक ॲसिड फॉर्म होणार. प्रोपाइल ग्रुप घ्या, ब्युटॅनोइक ॲसिड फॉर्म होणार. आइसोप्रोपाइल ग्रुप घ्या, आइसोब्युटॅरिक ॲसिड फॉर्म होणार. सो इन दिस वे यू हॅव टू प्रॅक्टिस द रिॲक्शन, practice the equations by taking this specific alkyl group. So carboxylic acids are obtained by hydrolysis of cyanide or nitrile. Now see next one reaction, preparation of carboxylic acids from acid chlorides or acid anhydride. Anhydrides are the compound obtained from carboxylic acid. So again anhydrides on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. See here, acid chloride when hydrolyzed or water when added in acid chloride hydrolyzed to produces carboxylic acid, and here HCl byproduct. आता पहा, आपल्याला या जनरल इक्वेशन वरून हे स्पेसिफिक रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट करायचे. काय केलं आपण, ओनली instead of this R, specific methyl group is taken, and here you see you have to add in it water. Water add केल्याच्या नंतर simply here there is removal of HCl. तिकडे पण तसंच झालेलं आहे. Here there is removal of HCl. OH group attached to carbon, so acid is obtained. Here also gives CH3 COOH plus HCl, so acetic acid, ethanoic acid is obtained, ethanoic acid is formed. Now see here, anhydride, acid anhydride. So this C double bond O, C double bond O, that is the anhydride. Water is added, Very simple. You have to break, suppose this carbon atom oxygen bond or this carbon oxygen bond. काय करायचं, इथे OH ग्रुप ऍड करा आणि याच्यावर H ऍड करा, किंवा याच्यावर H ऍड करा आणि याच्यावर OH ऍड करा, इकडे H ऍड करा. So here carboxylic acid is obtained. Carboxylic acids are formed. Here I have taken acetic anhydride. It is also named as ethanoic anhydride, and when water is added in it, it undergoes acid hydrolysis. You can break the chain like this. इथे OH आणि इकडे H ऍड करा, इकडे OH आणि H पास CH3 C double bond O OH and CH3 C double bond O OH means two molecule of the same acid, acetic acid is obtained or acetic acid is formed. So here anhydride of which acid you have taken, that acid is obtained. Anhydride of acetic acid gives acetic acid. Anhydride of propionic acid if you take, that is on hydrolysis, gives the propanoic acid or propionic acid, and this is the preparation of carboxylic acid by hydrolysis of acid chloride and acid anhydrides. See next method to prepare carboxylic acid, that is preparation of carboxylic acid by hydrolysis of ester. You remember this reaction we have studied in esterification reaction. At that time I have told to you the hydrolysis of ester is reverse reaction of esterification. So here we have taken acid hydrolysis of ester. Simply, when esters are hydrolyzed by using dilute acid H2SO4 mixture of carboxylic acid and alcohol is obtained. Again, if acid and alcohol reacted with concentrated H2SO4, it gives ester. म्हणजे esterification is reverse reaction of hydrolysis of ester and vice versa. Here one example we have to complete, that is it is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate when hydrolyzed by dilute sulfuric acid, dilute H2SO4, so it form carboxylic acid CH3 C double bond OOH, that is acetic acid is obtained and alcohol obtained is ethanol, ethyl alcohol is formed. So it forms C2H5OH and this forms CH3C double bond OOH. So esters on hydrolysis with dilute acid, dilute sulfuric acid, they use mixture of carboxylic acid and alcohol. By this reaction also we can prepare carboxylic acid. Now see next reaction, that is preparation of esters by alkaline preparation of carboxylic acids by alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Here it was the acid hydrolysis. Now alkaline hydrolysis we have to carry out. So esters on hydrolysis with alkali, you can use here sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So when it is hydrolyzed by using alkali, called as alkaline hydrolysis, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is obtained in the first step and alcohol as byproduct. In second step, this sodium salt of carboxylic acid on hydrolysis with dilute acid, it gives carboxylic acid is obtained, carboxylic acid is formed. So remember, esters when hydrolyzed by using alkali like NaOH or KOH, they first give sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Obviously, here it breaks from this oxygen carbon bond, alkyl group and OH form alcohol. Here sodium attached to this oxygen, this ionic compound obtained, that is sodium carboxylate, sodium salt of acid, त्याचा hydrolysis करा, it is on hydrolysis with dilute acid gives carboxylic acid. We have to complete this equation here. See, when ethyl acetate is hydrolyzed using dilute acid, then it forms sodium acetate in the first step. Sodium acetate in the first step, and this sodium acetate second step मध्ये it is hydrolyzed by using water in the presence of dilute acid, dilute HCl, then it forms or it gives what that is the CH3, C double bond OH, and byproduct is NaOH or NaCl. So here it gives acetic acid, ethanoic acid is obtained, acetic acid is formed. In this way, we can prepare carboxylic acid either by hydrolysis of ester, that is acid hydrolysis of ester, or alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Now see the next reaction to prepare carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene, that is methyl benzene. Toluene here we have to take. When toluene or methyl benzene is oxidized using alkaline solution of potassium permanganate, which is a strong oxidizing agent, means potassium permanganate is taken in the presence of alkali KOH. So it is alkaline KMnO4, it is the oxidation, and alkaline KMnO4 is a good oxidizing agent. So it gives potassium benzoate first of all. This is the structure of potassium benzoate. This undergoes the oxidation. Methyl benzene on oxidation gives benzoic acid, or first of all in the presence of KOH it gives potassium benzoate, आणि त्याला acid hydrolysis करा, it is on acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. Next one, from alkenes by oxidation. Oxidation takes place by acidic KMnO4, acidified KMnO4. So phenylethene, this is the benzene ring C6H5, this is ethylene group, ethene, oxidized by acidic KMnO4, it gives benzoic acid, means this group changes to COOH group. त्या ग्रुपचं कन्वर्जन COH ग्रुप मध्ये होतं. या रिएक्शन मध्ये कार्बन डायऑक्साइड and H2O is eliminated. This is the formation, preparation of benzoic acid from alkene. In it phenylethene we have taken. Now take one more alkene. It is a cyclic alkene, cyclohexene. When oxidized by acidic KMnO4, in the presence of dilute H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid, it gives adipic acid. So here carbon atoms which are bonded by double bond, both that undergoes the oxidation into COOH group, and this is the adipic acid, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom containing 2 COOH group. At the ending carbon, that is nothing but the adipic acid, or it is also named as hexane dioic acid. So hexane here position we can indicate hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Hexane 1,6 dioic acid is nothing but adipic acid. So adipic acid is prepared by oxidation of the cyclohexene by acidic KMnO4. See next, and this is the last method to prepare the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are prepared from Grignard's reagent. You remember in haloalkanes we have studied about the Grignard reagent. At that time I have told to you this reagent is very important. Almost all organic compound can be prepared, can be obtained from Grignard's reagent, and we have studied ketones, aldehyde, alcohol, and now carboxylic acids can also prepared starting with the Grignard's reagent. So see preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard's reagent. We know Grignard's reagent is an alkyl magnesium halide. In this reaction, alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard's reagent is added in solid CO2. Solid CO2 is also called as dry ice. When carbon dioxide gas is compressed at high pressure and low temperature, then it undergoes the solidification, and that solid CO2 is called as dry ice. Addition of Grignard's reagent into this dry ice takes place in this way. Alkyl group is added on carbon, magnesium halide is added on oxygen, because this bond between carbon and oxygen breaks like this, that is oxygen is more electronegative, pi electron transferred towards the oxygen. Here there is formation of negative charge, here positive charge. In this reagent, the alkyl group is negative part of reagent and magnesium halide is positive part of reagent. So this is nucleophile added on carbonyl carbon. Therefore, addition of Grignard's reagent into dry ice, solid CO2 is also nucleophilic addition reaction. So when this is added like this, in the presence of dry ether as solvent, magnesium complex is obtained, and when this magnesium complex form, it is on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are obtained. So once again you remember, very simple reaction, an alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard's reagent, added into solid CO2 or dry ice, addition alkyl group on carbon, remaining part of Grignard reagent on oxygen, and it form magnesium complex, that is on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. Two equations here we have to complete, that is methyl magnesium iodide when added in solid CO2 or dry ice, methyl group added on carbonyl carbon, oxygen is added, magnesium iodide added on oxygen, so it form CH3, C double bond O, OMgI, magnesium complex is obtained. Now this magnesium complex on acid hydrolysis, this group changes to COOH and it forms, gives carboxylic acid, that is the acetic acid is obtained, ethanoic acid is formed. It gives ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Okay. Here one point you have to remember, methanoic acid, formic acid cannot be prepared by using the Grignard's reagent. Why? Because that contains one carbon, formic acid, and here you can obtain carboxylic acid containing at least 2 carbon atom. कारण एक कार्बन एटम CO2 चा आणि कमीत कमी एक कार्बन एटम असलेला अल्किल ग्रुप जर आपण ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजंट मध्ये घेतला तर 2 कार्बन एटम असलेला ऍसिड फॉर्म होतो. Therefore, here point to be remember, methanoic acid, formic acid sorry, cannot be obtained, cannot be prepared from Grignard's reagent. Last one equation here we have to write, when ethyl magnesium bromide is added in solid CO2, so ethyl group added on carbon, so it forms C2, H5, C double bond OO, magnesium bromide is added on this oxygen. In the first step, magnesium complex is obtained, magnesium complex is formed, and this is on acid hydrolysis gives or forms propionic acid, propanoic acid or propionic acid is obtained. So in this way we can obtain or prepare carboxylic acids from Grignard's reagent and solid CO2 or dry ice. So this is about the different methods for preparation of the aldehyde, ketones, and today we have studied the preparation of carboxylic acids also. So in the next lecture we will study physical properties of this carbonyl compound and then the chemical properties or reactions of carbonyl compound.